Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about high-income skills and how to make money with them. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. So what exactly are high-income skills? Simply put, these are skills that are in high demand and can command a premium price in the marketplace. In other words, they're skills that people are willing to pay top dollar for. Here are some examples of high-income skills. 1. Copywriting. Copywriting is a highly valuable skill in the digital age, as more businesses are looking for ways to create persuasive and engaging content that converts their audience into customers. A skilled copywriter can command high rates and work on exciting projects for a range of clients. To become a successful copywriter, it's important to start by understanding the psychology of persuasion in marketing. Take the time to read books and articles on the subject and study successful copywriting examples in various industries. Then, start practicing by writing your own copy, analyzing it, and revising it to improve your skills. Consider taking online courses and attending workshops to develop your copywriting skills further. Look for opportunities to work with other copywriters, either through networking or by joining writing communities online. 2. Software development. Software development is a highly technical and complex field, but one that can lead to high-paying and rewarding career opportunities. Skilled developers are in high demand and can work on a variety of projects, from building websites and mobile apps to working on complex software systems. To become a software developer, you'll need to start by learning one or more programming languages, such as Java, Python, or C++. There are many online resources available to help you learn, such as Codecademy, Udemy, and Coursera. 3. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a diverse and rapidly evolving field, encompassing everything from social media marketing and content creation to email marketing and SEO. Skilled digital marketers are in high demand, as more businesses are looking for ways to reach and engage their audience online. To become a successful digital marketer, start by understanding the various components of digital marketing and choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and strengths. Learn how to create effective content, use social media platforms for marketing purposes, and optimize websites for search engines. 4. Sales. Sales is a highly valuable skill that can lead to high-paying and rewarding career opportunities. A skilled salesperson can influence and persuade customers, build relationships, and close deals, leading to increased revenue and business success. To become a successful salesperson, start by understanding the sales process and the psychology of persuasion. Practice your sales pitch and objection handling, and work on building relationships with potential customers. Learn how to listen to and understand your customers' needs, and tailor your approach to meet those needs. Consider taking courses or workshops on sales techniques and strategies to develop your skills further. Join sales communities and forums to network with other professionals, learn new techniques, and stay up to date with the latest industry trends. 5. Public speaking. Public speaking is a valuable skill that can help you succeed in many areas of life, from career advancement to personal development. A skilled public speaker can deliver engaging presentations, inspire and motivate audiences, and communicate effectively in a range of situations. To develop your public speaking skills, start by practicing in front of a mirror or with a small group of friends. Focus on your body language, tone of voice, and the structure of your speech. Join a public speaking group, such as Toastmasters, to get feedback and practice in a supportive environment. So, there you have it. 5 high-income skills that you can develop to boost your earning potential and create financial freedom for yourself. Remember that developing any skill takes time, dedication, and hard work, but the rewards can be significant. Choose a skill that you enjoy and that aligns with your interests and goals, and start taking action to develop it today. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. What do you think about today's video? If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys! We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.